In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in LibreOffice Writer. If you've ever opened a document and seen faint diagonal text like draft or confidential across each page, that's a watermark. It's useful for labeling, but when it's time to finalize your document, removing it should be quick and painless. I'll walk you through the exact steps and give a few tips so you know what to expect. First, launch LibreOffice Writer. You can open it from your applications list or however you normally start the program. Once Writer is open, load the document that currently has the watermark. You can use the File menu to open it, or simply double-click the file from your file manager so it opens in Writer. Make sure you're looking at the document that shows the watermark on the page. It usually appears behind the main text. Next, go to the Format menu in the top toolbar. On some systems, especially on macOS, the menu bar might be at the very top of your screen instead of inside the window, but the Format menu is in the same place functionally. If you're using a different user interface layout in LibreOffice, like the tabbed view, you'll still find the same watermark command under formatting options related to the page. From the Format menu, choose Watermark. This opens a dialog box that controls the watermark settings for your document. In this window, look for the field labeled Text. If you see a word or phrase there, that's what's being rendered across your pages. To remove the watermark, simply delete everything in the text field so that it's completely empty. You don't need to change the font, angle, color, or transparency. Clearing the text is enough to turn the watermark off. Now click OK. The change applies to the entire document because the watermark is part of the page formatting. Scroll through a few pages to confirm it's gone. You should see your content cleanly, with no overlaid text in the background. A quick note: this method removes text-based watermarks created with LibreOffice's built-in watermark feature. If the watermark doesn't disappear, it might be an image or shape added directly to the page, header, or background. In that case, you'd need to remove that object from where it was inserted. Also, if the watermark option is grayed out, make sure the document isn't read only. That's it. Launch Writer, open your document, go to Format, choose Watermark, clear the text field, and confirm with OK. Your pages should now be watermark-free and ready for sharing or printing.